be there and I won't be fine. I'll let you in to the corner of my mind. I'll build you up, then I'll break it down again. Have you tried green tea on vanilla swirls? Yes, we all live in an experiment world. Well, I don't think I'd have it any other way. What about climbing that tree? What about seeing the world in your dreams? What about the monkey inside of me? Well, I've been there time and time again. I tried so hard just to be your friend. Well, I don't think that we're looking at it in the right way. Build these walls all around yourself and you try to be somebody else. The fruit that you love begins to lose its taste. What about climbing that tree? What about seeing the world in your dreams? What about the monkey inside of me? Speaking, I think I'd be dreaming if I fell in love. Over and in and under and out, I think it's each other we bound. Well, I could be anyone, anywhere, anytime, only if I made up my mind. Well, I was the monkey and you were the monkey, if only we let each other be. Well, I could be anyone, anywhere, anytime, only if I made up my mind. What about climbing that tree? What about seeing the world in your dreams? What about the monkey inside of me? They are from space, and they don't wanna leave. They're always there.
So I was out there and I couldn't tell where I was sitting and I was coming back, and I don't have GPS on this quad, and it's probably the scariest flight I've ever had in my entire life. I'm like literally shaking. Everything is shaking. Oh.
RF signal critical.
Couldn't have hoped for a better way to spend my birthday.
Telemetry lost.
Thanks for coming along.